Good morning all. It's bitterly cold out this morning. We're filming this on the 27th.
Yep.
I think overnight it was like -2, -3, maybe even colder, but it hasn't warmed up for a couple of days now, has it?
No, especially up here. Over there it's green, but
Yeah, but that's been in the sun.
yeah, that's what
Yeah, so you can probably see in the roof, it's all looks like it snowed, but it hasn't. So the plan for today is to go to the flying field, do some maintenance, work on the field, fencing, and maybe get a fly in if we can. But the priority is doing the fencing, I think, and checking out other things. But we're going to take you along for the ride. You look really happy this morning.
I'm tired.
Up too late last night?
No.
Anyway, we'll probably catch up with you when we get to the field. Right, so we're here.
I don't know what's over there.
Put your boots on. So we're here at the flying field. The ground appears to be alright. It's not frozen. We've totally frozen at home still. Hopefully the audio is alright because it's the first time I've used these mics out in the breeze, and there's a bit of a breeze, and the breeze is absolutely freezing. So I think, without much further ado, we're going to crack on and start getting stuff over there. There's a bit of a walk from the car here down. You can't even see the shed from here just now, but the flying field's over there. And we'll see what kind of state the electric fence is in. One kind of done. Carried it on a tripod just now. Move to the next one. The field isn't in bad condition really. It's not in bad condition, is it?
Yield's still the worst bit.
Yeah, but if anything, this is now where we want to put some sand or rock or something down here. Yeah, we want to build it up. So we want to get stones and what Stuart's garage like what he's done there and build that up. Make it. Huh?
Stones like
Yeah. No. 15 to 25 mil stuff. Right, let's get the next post in. most of that on film. I think we got most of the posts going in on film. But since then, we've been round, we've prepared the electric wire as best we can, and we prep for putting a third wire in as well.
No, we finished yesterday.
Why?
Start drilling.
Is it?
Sure. Film this.
I can't. So what we need to do now is we're going to have to tidy up and organise, take away some of the crap, get the generator back in. Yeah, put stuff away. What else we can do, is that it? Because we can't do anything more to
Need to fix a bit of the shed. The roof. It was kind of weird.
again. Well, one of the things we were talking about with Stuart was getting some torch down,
Oh,
felt,
right. Yeah.
and then this summer totally refurb the shed,
Yeah.
paint it.
Yeah, because it's not beyond. I mean, if you catch it now, it'll
Yeah,
last.
exactly.
It's a good shed.
And it's not going to take much to do the torch down.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to tidy up and head home and get something warm. Right, let's get tidied up then. So as you saw there, we spent most of the day up in the field.
Yeah.
Very productive day. I'm not quite sure what the audio is going to come out like because I think I might have found a problem, which would be my mistake rather than anybody else's. Hopefully this audio is alright, otherwise I'm going to have to refilm it. We got the new wooden corner posts in for the electric fence,
Yep.
which went in a lot quicker than what I thought.
Yep.
Got new isolators on them to
Yep.
keep the electric fence away from the post. We did some repair work to the wire itself. Replaced some wiring on the energizer to the electric fence. Basically just did a lot of maintenance. Cold when we got there, warmed up quite quickly doing stuff, and then it was actually warmer when we left, wasn't it? It was
Yeah.
like 6 degrees when we left.
Instead of the -2 when we left.
Yeah, left the house. So yeah, it's not a modelling video, but it's model related because it's our flying field. So
I did fly a helicopter.
we did fly a helicopter, but I was busy doing fence stuff, so I couldn't even film that. But yeah, that's a bit of a different video. I might well try and do more videos like that as we do work at the field.
Okay.
'Cause it's a bit of an insight into possibly what goes on behind the scenes of a flying club.
Yeah.
Certainly our flying club. Because I've seen it before, I don't know about you, but I've seen a lot of people just sort of turn up, fly and go home again. They don't sort of understand what goes into keeping a facility going.
Yep.
But that's a by the by. But anyway, we're going to crack on. We've had one cup of tea, we'll probably have another cup of tea and try and warm up a bit more. And if you haven't eaten all the biscuits, maybe we can have some biscuits with it.
I bought 2 packs.
We can have some biscuits. So from you and myself here in what is now a warm workshop, we'll catch you again soon.
Bye.